Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into exciting topics related to finance, wealth, and global investments. In today's episode, we're unpacking a particularly intriguing question. Why are the Chinese renowned for their saving prowess? As we venture through the intricate terrain of personal finance, it's crucial to absorb lessons from diverse cultural approaches to money management. China, with its profound history, dynamic culture, and economic strength, is often celebrated for its exceptional saving skills. Many are curious about the distinct attributes of these practices, and by the conclusion of this video, you'll uncover the astonishing secrets behind Chinese saving habits. The statistics are compelling. China maintains one of the highest savings rates in the world. But what drives this impressive financial discipline? In Chinese culture, money is a central theme, focusing on earnings, spending, and accumulating wealth. Despite this, China is known for its dual nature of extravagant expenses and rigorous savings. An eye-opening statistic is that China's gross savings rate stands at an impressive 45.9%, significantly outstripping the United States, where the average savings rate hovers around 4.5 to 5%, largely due to a culture that prioritizes consumption. This stark contrast prompts us to delve into the deeper reasons behind the Chinese prowess in saving money, which extend beyond mere surface level. The blend of cultural influences and historical contexts helps demystify this phenomenon. In the US, the culture of spending is propelled by marketing tactics, financial incentives, and social pressures. In contrast, in China, the ethos of saving is deeply woven into the social fabric, overriding individual preferences and establishing a communal norm. The complex reasons for this phenomenon include viewing money as a symbol of security and stability rather than just a resource for immediate pleasure. Notably, the Chinese display a reluctance towards debt and favor purchasing with cash, starkly differing from Western habits. The Chinese method of money management provides invaluable lessons that highlight the significance of mindset alongside actionable strategies. The commitment of the Chinese to saving is rooted in childhood education, where saving is taught not merely as a practice but as a virtue. During special events like New Year's and birthdays, the tradition of gifting money in red envelopes, or lucky money, further instills the importance of saving from a young age. Even amidst grand celebrations, the cultural emphasis on saving persists, presenting a fascinating perspective worthy of deeper exploration. The statistics speak for themselves. China consistently boasts one of the highest savings rates worldwide. But what are the underlying factors contributing to this remarkable financial discipline? Money is an immense point of emphasis within Chinese culture. Much activity centers around earnings, spending abilities, and amassing wealth. Yet China also has a reputation for both lavish outlays and stringent saving habits. A striking fact is that the gross savings rate of the Chinese society is a significant 45.9%, which is much higher than that of the United States, where the typical savings rate ranges between 4.5% and 5% due to the emphasis placed on consumption. Therefore, it is worth exploring the underlying reasons for the Chinese's excellence in saving money, which go beyond mere superficial differences. By delving into the combination of cultural elements and historical circumstances, we can unravel the mystery behind this phenomenon. In the United States, the prevailing culture encourages spending through marketing strategies, financial incentives, and societal pressures. However, in China, saving money is deeply embedded in the societal fabric, transcending individual preferences to become a norm. The multifaceted reasons behind this phenomenon include the unique perspective of money as a symbol of security and stability rather than merely a means for instant gratification. Notably, the Chinese also have an aversion to debt and prefer to make purchases outright with cash, which is a significant departure from Western practices. The Chinese approach to money management offers valuable insights for all, emphasizing the importance of mindset alongside practical strategies. The dedication of Chinese people to saving money can be attributed to early teachings instilled in children, where saving is not just a habit but a virtue. Special occasions like New Year's and birthdays involve the tradition of gifting money in red envelopes, known as lucky money, reinforcing the value of saving from a young age. Amidst festivities and celebrations, the Chinese cultural emphasis on savings remains steadfast, offering a unique perspective worth examining further.